for a nature walk today. I'm in Snohomish County near the town of Arlington, and I'm going to be doing a hike along the Centennial Trail, which is an old rails to trails that's been converted for hiking, biking, and for horses. And the trailhead here is at the Nakashima Heritage Barn. This barn was built in 1908, and it's on the Register for Historic Barns. It's also part of the Snohomish County Barn Quilt Trail. Okay, now I'm going to be leaving the barn area and the parking lot here, which does have facilities, and I'm going to be heading basically in the southern direction along the trail. Well, I was a bit optimistic. I actually brought my sunglasses. We had a little bit of sun breaks earlier this morning, but good thing I also brought my rain jacket. Just coming up to the town of Bryant. It's actually just a community. I don't know if there's any businesses there, but it is a census designated place. It used to have a post office until the 1950s, and about 1,800 people were registered as living there in 2010. And so I'm almost coming up on 4 miles, and then that's going to be my turnaround point. So it's a good thing I like walking in the rain, and it's around 40 degrees, and I think I'm getting hail. So my GPS says that I've come in 4.1 miles into this area of Bryant. There's another trailhead here with parking. It's just a little bit further down the way. You have to cross the street, so I'm not going to do that. But yeah, the hail stopped, and I think even the rain stopped. So I'm going to head back. It's pretty dark. It's just right around 1:15. So at the most I have 2 hours to get back, and it'll start getting dark around 4. Sunset's around 4:30. So I'm going to keep moving.